Stress and lack of sleep are the primary causes for a lot of health problems today. When our body doesn't get quality sleep, the repair and restorative process of our body is compromised. Hi guys, I'm Riya, and today I'm going to show you some asanas to sleep and counter stress better. Let's start with Vrikshasana or the tree pose. Stand straight and stabilize yourself. Place the right foot either below the knee, above the knee, but not on the knee. Raise your hands and touch the palms above your head. Stay up for 5 to 7 breaths. Release slowly and repeat on the other side. This asana is a balancing asana which forces you to eliminate all kinds of thoughts and only focus on your breathing and balancing. The next one is Prasarita Padottanasana or the wide-legged forward bend. Spread your legs around 3 feet wide with feet parallel to each other. Slowly place your hands on your waist and keeping the back straight, bend forward from the waist. Get your upper body parallel to the floor and stay here for 5 to 7 breaths. Slowly release and come back up. Any forward bend asana is a relaxing one and helps the body more efficient in countering stress. Now let's do Halasana or the plow pose. Lie down on your back and place your hands next to your hips. Slowly, gently rock and use that momentum from rocking, holding your lower back in the backward rocking direction. Start straightening the knees and go up to whatever point you're comfortable. You can slowly place your legs on the floor above your head. Stay here for 5 to 7 breaths. Release with control and support your lower back. Slowly release that back. This is an amazing asana to curl up the body and activate the nervous system, which makes it more efficient in countering stress. If this is the first time you're trying this asana, please do it with a friend supporting you. Moving on, let's do Pavan Muktasana or the wind releasing pose. Lie down on your back and hug both your feet into the chest. Close your eyes here and continue breathing, slowing down your breath. After 5 to 7 breaths, slowly release. This asana will prepare you to go to bed with some self-love. It'll help slow down your breathing and completely relax any muscle tensions. The last asana is Gomukhasana in Vajrasana or the cow face bind pose. Sit onto your heels in Vajrasana with bent knees. Slowly lift your right hand up and left hand down. From the back, grab your hands, elbows facing the sky. Keep pushing that elbow slightly away from the ear and stay here for 5 to 7 breaths. Slowly release and repeat on the other side. The bind in this asana is really helpful to open up the lungs and breathing, which helps the body counter stress in a more efficient manner. All these asanas help cool down the body, and practicing them in stressful situations helps you think more calmly and openly. As always, remember, if you're pregnant, menstruating, have high or low blood pressure, have any serious neck or back injuries, please practice these asanas with a certified trainer or practitioner. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay tuned, stay glamorous.